how to quote a Tarmac driveway clean and seal using the pressure washing calculator. First thing is we're going to want to measure the driveway. You can see there's quite a lot of moss here. The first place we're going to go is onto Google Earth, and then we're going to find the address. And it's as simple as measuring the area. So make sure we've got the right address, hit the measure button and start measuring. So with this one, you could see there was quite a lot of moss on the actual tarmac, so we're going to have to clean that off first, and it looks like a particularly bad one, so that might impact the price of the cleaning slightly. So now we've got the area size. I've got 56 meters squared. So then I go to the pressure washing calculator, I hit calculate prices, and I go on to flat work. I now select the type of surface, so tarmac, if it requires sealing. Then I'm going to type in 56, hit calculate, and then it's going to give me a price for cleaning it, and then a price for cleaning it and sealing it, including the volume of sealer that is required for that job. So if they didn't want the sealing, just deselect it, hit calculate. If you're not VAT registered, just deselect that, hit calculate. Calculate. And calculate again. And what you can do is, if you think there's going to be, it's not going to cover it as far, you can go down to these buttons at the bottom. So you can see the bucket, which indicates the sealer quantity. So we've got here for tarmac, we've got 17, which means it's 17 quid or dollars per litre of product. If you're in America, it will be priced in gallons. And then you've got the coverage per metre squared of the product. The roller indicates how much you want to charge to install the sealer. So we charge per metre squared, but it will be in per feet if you're in America. And that's how we use the pressure washing calculator to price cleaning and sealing jobs. If you liked how simple and easy that was, it's not available on Android just yet, but it is available on the Apple Store. If you like the app, search for the pressure washing calculator.